Life is short. One day is good, one day is bad. One day is for you, one day is against you. My brothers, my sisters, believe in Allah. If you have a relation with Allah, the good days Alhamdulillah, the bad days also Alhamdulillah. There are 5 prayers a day. On the good day it is 5, on the bad day it is still 5. Subhanallah. In fact, when something bad happens, we get closer to Allah. Today we are seated here, we thank Allah that Allah has given us a chance to sit in His beautiful house. This is the house of Allah. We are so many in number. Why are we here? Cause there is an instruction of Allah. You are here and I am here to worship Allah, to listen to a good word that will bring me closer to Allah, to develop my yaqeen and conviction in Allah. Do you have a guarantee that tonight will be a happy night? Do you have a guarantee that you are going to be alive tonight? Tonight is far. Before tonight, there is no guarantee. So, try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value.